Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, May 23rd, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And the pound US dollar came in number 3 today, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis on the pound dollar from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So the pound dollar eventually finally did break structure to the downside. Now to me, I still think this is one big correction. Actually, looking at this, it looks to me like 3 waves down and 1, 2, 3 waves up. I think we may be looking at either a running flat, which means that we may get 5 waves down and a higher low, and then the continuation of the uptrend for wave C of a running flat, or possibly we are looking at an expanded flat. If that's the case, then it would go down and break the low of wave A, maybe even all the way down to the 50% Fibonacci level. So either way, I'm definitely watching my Fib levels. I'm definitely looking for the end of this current trend right here. If I do see the end of that trend by seeing a nice break of structure to the upside, I'll definitely take that as a long entry, and hopefully that will be the continuation of this bigger uptrend on the higher time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to all my daily live analysis and trading sessions where I cover every single thing on this list over here from top to bottom, and it also gives you access to all my swing/day trade setups that I share with the group at the time of entry by signing up at my website fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.